abasae nabo bale most severest problem egocha yabasae omuraria abacha batumika bobe kero kenda sokogorwa enibenke gosogotumika bobe semo yo gosebe tunga yandora mu gosenda okorero bobe asingenji okoewa egentegeke igo e challenge eroro mono asabasae kero bamanyire nga babwenerete ko yani a challenge eroro ago bagotumika bobe so we are on the ground or we have put a strategy as a ground to make sure nga twabamanyirie rinde be inyore nga more of that value
nza chinde sebiri mwanyaka wa mawakoro gose tambukire mwanyaka wa mukwemuki byo koligereri ngango manyimura abasangi babwende gukora nane babwende kwebeka nakibabere bako receive ebirengereri ebiga gosibabere bako byanjira na gose manyore resistance yenda
so far kuweza tuchaka na kulengana ya torokana nga bwakire kurusito igo minute nga torokana nga ati anyoye ulisa se na leo chikotali nsengima abasae igo bali tayari gotegerera uyu kuba drive ujase wachokonyeka ntoranyora any resistance in fact reception is very positive and we are happy that abasae bamanyire nga konya bagotumika bobe oniga tubwate we have achieved above average na ende ntobwate emerobeliende which kogenda now to each and every household cover information actually yendo kialenge a challenge civic education ito jenga to capture in the program yes.